Copyright disclaimer.
So if you do it regularly, on a literally regular basis, was this update not checked prior to being rolled out?
The same question that we have for CrowdStrike, who implemented the bad code.
Well, as mentioned, we do those updates all the time. So the technique that we use, we've been using for a decade, and that means we've stress tested it many times. When we do regular updates to the products, we do testing, and one of the things that we have to spend time on is work out what went wrong, and clearly, obviously, something did. We identified what the issue was very quickly,
Diverting the answer into what they did after the fact.
We stopped that particular file from being propagated, but unfortunately a lot of people around the world did get access to that file, and what it did is it exposed a logic flaw which ended up in what the industry knows of and the experience that people had, which is a blue screen of death.
This C291 system file was included in the driver update. It was said that this driver of the CrowdStrike Falcon runs in the kernel level. That means it has a system level status. Where am I going with this?
But unfortunately, a lot of people around the world did get access to that file.
Ordinary clients, users won't be able to access that file. Additionally, it has been said that the driver of the CrowdStrike Falcon is a boot start driver. That means it must be installed to start the Microsoft Windows OS operating system. Ergo, this company has been given great power. It has been explained by an ex-developer from Microsoft, and here's his introduction.
I'm Dave Plummer, a retired software engineer from Microsoft going back to the MS-DOS and Windows 95 days. And thanks to my time as a Windows developer, today I'm going to explain what the CrowdStrike issue actually is, the key difference in kernel mode, and why these machines are blue screening, as well as how to fix it if you come across one.
His video was filled with technicalities that even I, being a former systems administrator, isn't privy or savvy in the developer programming jargon. Anyhow, for those who are interested to watch, I'll put the link on the description section. But what's significant from his video that I picked up was this C291 system file is unrecognizable by the kernel of the Microsoft Windows, causing the system to halt, making the system crash, blue screen. The paramount question is, if you're a developer, you know how the system works, how it reacts, what the driver entails, how critical it is to run something in the kernel level. It's expected that they test it first, a series of tests with their local users, administrators, database administrators, analysts, etc. before it's given a go signal by the higher authority. What this system file incident reminds me of is when something is being given to somebody, that something has been altered, the body wouldn't recognize it, then it would try to fight this thing. This alteration sounds like a sabotage. Moving forward, this CrowdStrike Falcon endpoint appliance is AI generated or analyzed. Then what's this? There's 96%, 66. That intrigued me. Why would they call it Falcon? Etymologically, it came from Latin falx, meaning sickle, war sight. Quite
sinister.
It has been said too that The Proto-Indo-European root gel, meaning pale, came from the Romans, not the other way around. Only sharing these things to you, for we are told to be kakam or kakamim, meaning sagacious.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future.
What could cause an excess in a single year of 10 million deaths? Now, clearly a big war could, and a pandemic, natural or created by bioterror.
And every week, we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future.
For I am persuaded that neither Mavet, nor Chayim, nor Malachim, nor principalities, nor powers, neither the present, nor the future, nor height, nor depth, nor any other creature shall be able to separate us from the Ahab Yahuwah that is in Mashiach Yahushua, our ruler, leader, our Rosh. All esteem to Elyon, the Most High, Yahuwah, through His Ban Yahushua, our Mashiach. Shalom, shalom.